Look at this 2011 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. Carfax has certified this Silverado 1500 as having one owner. This Silverado 1500 has just under 18,000 miles. This vehicle has a limited warranty. This vehicle gets an estimated 13 miles per gallon in the city, and an estimated 18 on the highway. This Silverado 1500 boasts a 4.8-liter engine, and has an automatic transmission. Additional options for this vehicle include power locks, cruise control, passenger airbag and heated mirrors. Call 888-905-2211 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.